Hey, hello guys. So today I am going to show you the wizard selection tool. You see there is the on the left hand the second one. You select this and start to select. Sometimes you select but you don't get the full selection. Some parts you miss. So on the top you see there is the add selection. When you click on selection tool, so you will find on the top add selection, subtract selection, so you can add the area what you miss. You can select that area again and you can uh, click again, double click, select that area and double click, so that area will be select. And like this, if you want to subtract some area, means some extra part if it's coming, so you can take the subtract um, the area and you will again select that area you what you don't want, so that area will be subtract. Now I open the new 600 width and height, and you can see now some area I miss it. So what will I do? I will put it again, control Z, undo, and that area I will take it again. I can make zoom, you know, the zoom button, or you can hold the alt key and move the mouse ball, so it will be zoom. Now you can see which area. Now this area is the extra area I want to subtract, so I will take the subtract and I will remove that area. Some little parts, if it comes with your picture, so you can use the eraser tool, means that is no problem, but the big area you have to take it. Now again I open the new one and you can see now almost the whole picture is there. We will use the eraser tool from the toolbox, so we will um, erase this. Control T you will press, so you can transform your image, means like I did it, make it big or small or whatever. Control T. Okay, now I am taking eraser tool and I am removing that areas what I don't want. So from the clone tool you can take the image, take the part from where you didn't put it, and the same area you will drag it here. I explained already about the clone tool. So you can see now the picture is ready. If you want to save this, okay, first we change the background, so you will click on the bucket, or you can hold the bucket, so there is the other colors you can choose. Here I write, I will take the text tool, I can change the color on the top. Now you can fix anywhere where you want this name. Again you can press the control T and you can make it big or small. Now if you want to save in JPEG or TIFF, I told you last time the difference between JPEG and the TIFF. Now again I save in TIFF. Now you can select the last one, extension, press OK. Now I open first JPEG, so you will see the difference again. See, I unblock this layer, so the whole picture is moving. This is JPEG. Now I open the TIFF, so you can see the layers will move like PSD. Now I take another picture and I will put this picture on that picture, because in the TIFF you can take the picture only, or the text only, or the area whatever you want. So suppose now I copied from there and I paste it here, or you can take the arrow and you can bring this picture here. So see, I fixed this picture on this location. So I hope everything will be clear. If you have to ask any question, any inquiry, so you can ask me in the comment box. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel so you can get the new software notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.